Question 1. Crow is the national bird of which country? Answer is Bhutan. Question 2. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer is hummingbird. Question 3. Which bird can fly long distance? Answer is Arctic tern. Question 4. Which bird can fly backward? Answer is hummingbirds. Question 5. National bird of India is? Answer is peacock. Question 6. The largest sea bird is? Answer is albatross. Question 7. Bird which lays more than 80 eggs in one nest is? Answer is ostrich. Question 8. Bird which lays only one egg in 2 years is? Answer is albatross. Question 9. What is world's oldest known bird name? Answer is albatross. Question 10. Eagle is the national bird of which country? Answer is Armenia.
Bonus question. What is color of owl's eyes at night while hunting prey? Please comment your answer below. Please press like and subscribe button to see more interesting video like this.